Okay, today's assignment we're going to be working with recursive sequences or recursive rules for sequences. Alright, remember that an arithmetic sequence changes by addition, geometric changes by multiplication. All a recursive rule says is if I know a previous term, I can find my next term by adding or multiplying. So let's look at example 1. It says write the first 6 terms of the sequence. So it tells us that the first term is 2. It tells us that we're adding 3 each time. So we go 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. Simple as that, 6 terms. Number B, we're starting with 1. We're multiplying by 3, so we go 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. And simple as that. So here's some examples. We'll write the first terms. Number 1 will start at 0. We're subtracting 8. So we go negative 8, negative 16, negative 24, negative 32, and negative 40. Number 2, we're starting at negative 7.5. And we're adding 2.5 every time, so we go negative 5, negative 2.5, 0, 2.5, and 5. Number 3, we're starting at negative 36. And we're multiplying by 1/2. So we get negative 18, negative 9, negative 9 over 2, negative 9 over 4, and negative 9 over 8. Next one, we're starting at 0.7, and we're multiplying by 10. So we get 7, 70, 700, 7,000, 70,000. And that's just all we do. When we're asked to write a recursive sequence, we're going to first define what our first term is, A1, and it's negative 30. And on this sequence we can see that we're adding 12. So anything that we want to find, we're going to take the 1 before it, n minus 1, and we're going to add 12 to it. Alright, the next one over here, we're multiplying by 1/5. So again, I'm going to define my first term, A1 equals 500. And any term I want to find is going to be 1/5 a to the n minus 1. Alright, so again, writing some recursive sequences for number 5. A1 is equal to 8. We're subtracting 5 each time, so any term we want to find will be a to the n minus 1 plus minus 5, minus 5. Let me clear that up there. Minus 5. Number 6, first term is 1.3. A1 equals 1.3. We're multiplying by, or we're adding 1.3 each time. 1.3. So a to the n is equal to a n minus 1 plus 1.3. we'll do 7 and 8. I won't do the flowers. So 7, our first is a 1 is equal to 4. We're multiplied by 5, so any that I want to find, I'm going to go the one that I know and multiply by 5. Let me rewrite that. 5 a n minus 1. I didn't need to do the parentheses either, but I did. Okay, this one we're multiplying by negative 1/4. So we're going to define our first term. A1 equals 128. A to the n is equal negative 1/4. A n minus 1. Going back and forth between. Okay, so now we're going to look at translating from a recursive rule to an explicit rule. So we're going to take this term. We know that we're subtracting 10 each time, so minus 10. We know that our first term is 25, but we want to find the term before that. So if I were to go one more back, where would I end up with? So if I reverse that and go back, my 0 term, A0, would be 35. So now I can write my equation. A to the n is equal to negative 10n plus 35. On the geometric sequences, we're going to go ahead and use an exponent of negative 1. So remember that our first term is going to be, we're going to write in the form of y equals ax to the b power. A is going to be our first term, and instead of using x, I should have used n. A n to the whatever power. So to write this, to find any term number that we want to find, we're going to have 19.6 times negative 0.5 to the n minus 1 power. And what that means is if I want to find the 10th term, I'm going to use 9 for my exponent because I go one less. Alright, so now we have we want to write a recursive rule knowing this. We know that this first one is a arithmetic sequence. Our term 0 is 3. So if I substitute 1 in for n, so I go negative 2 times 1 plus 3, I'm going to get a1 is equal to 1. Okay, and then I can write my sequence. A to the n equals a to the n minus 1 minus 2. Alright, so we know that our first term in the second one in the geometric sequence here is negative 3. We know that we're multiplying by 2. So we can define our first term, a1 equals negative 3. Then we can write our sequence or recursive. A to the n is equal to 2 a n minus 1. And that's pretty easy to do.